Hello there, my name is Kobe from Kitech Digital. I'm here to present to you my new course titled Web Design with No Coding. This is a web design course specially designed for everyone who wants to learn web designing or wants to upgrade their web designing skills. It is no coding, meaning that we will not write any code. We will use the popular CMS, which is WordPress, and other great page builders to design website from scratch. Now, this is what you are going to learn. You're going to learn how to create website, how to create a business website, how to create an e-commerce website, how to create a blog, news, or music website, how to use Elementor Page Builder, how to create and design pages, and other great things that we will learn from this course. Now, this is the course content or the course outline for this course. So this course is divided into 3 parts. Now, the first part is introduction, which goes into details to talk about web hosting, domains, WordPress, themes, plugins, and Elementor. Now, the second part is how to buy hosting and domain names. So we will talk about how we can be able to buy hosting and domain names. I am going to take you through all the steps in buying your hosting and linking them to your domain name. Okay, and then the next one is also we will talk about the introduction of the cPanel. What is the cPanel and what is entailed? And then we're also going to talk about how to install WordPress. So I'll walk you through how you'll be able to install WordPress. And then the next part is that is the final part, is designing the website. So we're going to design a business website, an e-commerce website, and then a blog or news website. So we will take each one by one and then walk you through all the process of doing everything step by step. Now, this is basically from the beginning. So it means that everybody can start. It doesn't matter whether you have skills or you do not have skills. Okay, so do not worry about that. Now, what is the bonus aspect? So there are 3 things you get from this web designing course. You're gonna get a free subdomain if you cannot buy your own domain. You're gonna get free hosting. Okay, if you cannot host your own subdomain or your own hosting, we will give you free hosting for 3 good months. And then you are also going to have free SSL. I'm going to show you how you can be able to get free SSL so that your visitors will trust you. You will trust your website when you create them. And then also I'm going to show you how you can also be able to create free email addresses from your domain. Okay, and that is it. So customize email addresses. So your email address will be something like info@mybusiness.com or services@mybusiness.com. However your your domain name is, I'm going to provide you with and show you a way you can be able to create a customized email address for it. And then also, what are the skills that you need to have? Now, you don't need no skills. Okay, so no skills required. All you need is a computer and an internet. Okay, so a computer with internet is all what you need to start this course. Okay, now this course is just 99 USD. Okay, just 99 USD. So imagine you're going to learn everything from business website to e-commerce website to blog, news, music website, and all for 99 USD. Okay, it is on promotion. That is why we have 50% off. Okay, so register now if you need this skill, if you want to to have this no coding skill to start your own business or to create website, beautiful website from what? From scratch, and then use it to what? Monetize it, and then get what? Get something to do out of it. Okay, and that is the most important thing. Now the date is what? 11th to 12th November. Okay, it is going to be a 2 days what? Workshop. Okay, so the course is going to be what? 2 days. I'm going to teach you everything you need to do for these 2 days. Okay, and that is it. Now we're going to do it on Zoom, so wherever you are, everywhere you are, you can what? Sign up for this course, and that is what the amazing thing. Okay, and I am going to be your tutor. Okay, Kobi Asari or Kobnasari, anyhow you want to call me. Okay, so web design is one of the what? The things that I love from childhood, and I have been able to what? Make sure that I use it as what? A side hustle for myself. I'm going to show you all the tricks and things that you can also be able to what? Use it for your what? For yourself. Okay, and that is it. Now these are some of the amazing websites that you can be what? Create for yourself. Now, so this is what? One of these websites. So business website, e-commerce website, NGO website, and all those things. You can what? You can create it for yourself. Okay, and all these things you can be able to do it on your what? On your website. Now what are you waiting for? Just click on the sign up button to what? So guys, this course is amazing. Okay, it is amazing. It's basically, I'm giving all this for you for just 99 what? USD. It is just an amazing what? Course, and I want you guys to what? Subscribe to this course, sign up for this course, register for this course, because I am going to give my all on this course. Okay, so see you, and don't forget to what? Click the register button to register. Hope to meet you there on the 11th to 12th November. Bye bye.